Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to reset the TikTok algorithm. If your For You page is showing content that you're no longer interested in, or you want TikTok to start recommending videos based on new interests, resetting your feed can help retrain the algorithm and improve the content you see every day. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments. Leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. The first way to influence the TikTok algorithm is by interacting with the content you see in your feed. For example, if you come across a video that you don't want to see more of, you can press and hold on the video and then tap Not Interested. This tells TikTok that you don't want similar content to appear in your feed. On the other hand, if you like a video, you can simply tap the Like button. When you like, comment, or share videos, TikTok learns your preferences and starts showing you more similar content. However, there is also a way to completely refresh your For You page and reset the recommendations. To do this, open the TikTok app and go to your profile by tapping the icon at the bottom of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. After that, select Settings and Privacy. Inside this section, scroll until you find Content Preferences and tap on it. Here, you will see an option called Refresh Your For You feed. Tap on that option, and TikTok will explain that it will temporarily show you a variety of popular videos that you might not normally see. As you watch, like, comment, and interact with these videos, TikTok will learn your new preferences and rebuild your personalized feed. To begin the process, simply tap Start and follow the instructions on the screen. After a short time, your For You page will be refreshed, and the algorithm will start recommending content based on your new interactions. And that's it! Now you know how to reset the TikTok algorithm and refresh your For You page so you can start discovering content that better matches your interests. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Shin Tech Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!